Well, hi there folks, I've just been up at the strip with a plan to give the 4-engine Mini Lidl conversion a second test flight after some modifications, which I'll tell you about in a sec. Also the Lidl Stumpy and a couple of these others that I haven't flown for a while. Let's see how I got on. So first off, a second test flight for the 4-engined Mini Lidl glider conversion, which I made from drone parts. Right, we have contact. Now I've made a bit of a mod here. What I've done is the two props that effectively would be the rear motors on a 4-prop drone are now in the middle, and they're slightly inclined downwards, so pulling that back should, with the down thrust on the motors, should give it a climb. Let's give it a go. Can just about climb. It seems to work, but it can only just about penetrate in this wind. But she flies. Look at that, it's barely going to penetrate. She flies. And my drone idea with the motors actually worked. Look at that. So throttle up and pull right hand drone controller stick back. And it doesn't make a huge amount of difference. Differential thrust works well though, look at that. Considering how windy it is, it's doing amazingly well. First turning right. Control it into a little hover there. Look at that. Look at that. I have control. Between balancing throttle and the 4 motors, I can actually get pretty good control of that. I'll come out here. That's half throttle. And all these people who said, oh, you'll never get it to work with drone motors, throttle back a little bit. The wind's dropped now. Throttle back a little bit. How about that? That flies better than all of the models. But it's a question of carefully balancing thrust for climb rate and the left-right, which is controlling either 2 middle motors or 2 outside motors, which have got slightly different thrust angles on there. I'm going to give it one more go. The battery seems to have plenty of life in it. Wait for a little lull. Now I think the battery's going. Yeah, I was wrong about the battery. But anyway, I'm well pleased with that. Don't forget to check out the build blog for it. And its maiden flight, which is was much like that. Very good. So then it was the turn of the Lidl Stumpy, which had a very unsuccessful maiden a couple of weeks ago. How did it go this time? Right, incidentally, with Stumpy, made a couple of other mods. I've added a little canard here. Don't know if it's going to do anything, probably not. Added some winglets, give it a bit more lateral stability, and extended the vertical stab. I'm going to give it a good chuck and then we'll see what happens. Whoa!
That was interesting. Did you see that? No, okay. Maybe it doesn't like a 3S. Okay, it didn't like a 3S. Okay, so I've slipped in a 1000 milliamp 2S, but I don't hold out much hope because I think there's something drastically wrong with this. Still dive straight in.
Well, as you can see, not great. Just doesn't want to fly. So basically, I've decided it's a really poor design and it's been committed to the dustbin of failures.
Anyway, that's it for now. Shame we didn't get to try this or the other one, but next time, pleased with the way that one flew and pleased with the way my little 4-engine one went. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to maybe give it a like down there, and why not even subscribe and check out some of my other vids. There's build blogs for all of those Lidls. There's about 8 Lidls, little twins, little Vulcans, little EDFs, you name it, it's on there. But that's all for now. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Enjoy your flying. Bye for now.